Hi guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel Finance for Beginners. Well, today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can use your PayPal on your Etoro. On your Etoro account, you can either buy the stocks of PayPal, or you can also use your PayPal account, your real account, to actually deposit funds in your account. Now, to deposit funds in your account using PayPal, you just have to log into your Etoro account by logging into your Google browser. Here I have already logged in into my account, and you can also see a option for deposit funds right here. If you simply click on this option, deposit funds, while being on your real account rather than your virtual one, you can see that this kind of option, fund your account, will appear. And from here you are able to set the amount you want to deposit into your Etoro and the information of your debit card or your card number, that is your PayPal account number. After that, click on to deposit after inputting all of your credentials correctly. And that is a simple way on how you can use a PayPal on your Etoro. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for a review and for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.